Hi, my name is Kenneth, and I would like to share with you how we properly install your iPhone X screen. So recently I made a video of me repairing a iPhone X screen. Right now I will comment on how I do the installation. The first thing is that I'm going to open the LCD. The LCD is glued on to the body of the iPhone. Opening of the LCD is not easy. We are going to gently pry open the LCD. Once we get into the LCD, we are going to remove the battery connector. First, we remove the plates. We are using a special screw bit for this job. Once the connector is removed, we will properly remove the LCD from the phone. Next, we are going to remove the screws and the microphone from the broken screen, and then transfer it over to the new screen. If we have done everything properly, we will fix back your screen and it should be working like the original one. Just because you watched this video, we are giving away free tempered glass for every LCD customers. I hope you like this video, and I hope that it can help you make your decision in choosing the right repair technician for your iPhone. Our shop is located at MJC, Batukawa, and you may contact us via WhatsApp at 016 800 8400. Thank you.